ॐ नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। ॐ नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। ॐ नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। जय राधा माधव कुंज विहारी।
जय राधा माधव कुंज विहारी।
गोपीजन वल्लभ गिरिवरधारी।
जय गोपीजन वल्लभ गिरिवरधारी।
यशोदनंदन ब्रज जन रंजन। यमुना तीरावनचारी। जय राधा माधव कुंज विहारी। नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयमुदीरयेत्। नष्टप्रायेषु अभद्रेषु नित्यं भागवत सेवया। भगवती उत्तम श्लोके भक्तिर्भवति नैष्टिकी। ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। Reading from Srimad Bhagavatam, Canto 1, Chapter 10, Text number 1. शौनक उवाच हत्वा स्वरिक्ता स्पर्धा आततायिनो युधिष्ठिरो धर्मव्रतां वरिष्ठः सहानुजयः प्रत्यावरुद्ध भोजनः कथं प्रवृत्तः किम् अकार्षत् ततः शौनक उवाच हत्वा स्वरिक्ता स्पर्धा आततायिनो युधिष्ठिरो धर्मव्रतां वरिष्ठः सहानुजये प्रत्यावरुद्ध भोजनः कथं प्रवृत्तः किम् अकार्षित् ततः। शौनक उवाच Shunaka inquired, Atva, after killing, Swarikta, the legal inheritance, Pradaha, desiring the usurp, Atatayina, the aggressor, Yudhishthira, King Yudhishthira, Dharma Bhratam, of those who strictly follow religious principles. Varishtaha, greatest. Saha Anujay, with his younger brother. Pratyavaruddha, restricted. Bhojanaha, acceptance of necessities. Katham, how. Pravrattaha, engaged. Him, what. Akarshit, executed. Tataha, thereafter. Translation and purport by His Divine Grace Sri Bhaktivedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada. Shaunaka Muni asked, after killing his enemies who desired to usurp his rightful inheritance, how did the greatest of all religious men, Maharaj Yudhishthir, assisted by his brothers, rule his subjects? Surely he could not freely enjoy his kingdom with unrestricted consciousness. Shaunaka Muni asked, after killing his enemies who desired to usurp his rightful inheritance, how did the greatest of all religious men, Maharaj Yudhishthir, assisted by his brothers, rule his subjects? Surely he could not freely enjoy his kingdom with unrestricted consciousness. Purport. Maharaj Yudhishthir was the greatest of all men of religion. Thus he was not at all inclined to fight with his cousins, for the sake of enjoying the kingdom. He fought for the right cause because the kingdom of Hastinapur was his rightful inheritance, and his cousins wanted to usurp it for themselves. He fought therefore for the right cause under the guidance of Lord Krishna, but he could not enjoy the results of his victory because his cousins were killed in the fight. He thereafter ruled over the kingdom as a matter of duty, assisted by his younger brother. The inquiry was important for Shaunaka Rishi, who wanted to know about the behavior of Maharaj Yudhishthir when he was at ease to enjoy the kingdom. We'll take the next one. Suta Uvacha Vamsham Kurora Vamsha Devagni Nirhatam Samro Hayitva Bhava Bhavano Harihi Nivesyatva Nijarajya Ishvaro Yudhishtiram Pritamana Babhuvaheha. Suta Goswami said, Lord Sri Krishna, the Supreme Personality of Godhead, who is the maintainer of the world, became pleased after re-establishing Maharaj Yudhishthir in his own kingdom and after restoring the Kuru dynasty, which had been exhausted by the bamboo fire of anger. Purpose. This word is compared to a forest fire caused by the cohesion of bamboo bushes. Such a forest fire takes place automatically, for bamboo cohesion occurs without external cause. Similarly, in the material world, the wrath of those who want to lord it over material nature interacts, and the fire of war takes place, exhausting the unwanted population. Such fires or wars take place, and the Lord has nothing to do with them. But because he wants to maintain the creation, he desires the mass of people to follow the right path of self-realization, which enables the living beings to enter into the kingdom of God. The Lord wants the suffering human beings to come back home, back to him, and cease to suffer the threefold material pangs. The whole plan of creation is made in that way, and one who does not come to his senses suffers in the material world by pangs inflicted by the illusory energy of the Lord. The Lord therefore wants his bona fide representative to rule the world. Lord Sri Krishna descended to establish this sort of regime and to kill the unwanted persons who have nothing to do with his plan. The battle of Kurukshetra was fought according to the plan of the Lord, so that undesirable persons could get out of the world and a peaceful kingdom under his devotee could be established. The Lord was therefore fully satisfied when King Yudhishthir was on the throne, and the settling of the dynasty of Kuru in the person of Maharaj Parikshit was saved. Om Ajnanati Mirandasya Jnananjana Shalakaya Chakshurunmilitam Jena Tasmai Shri Gurave Namah. Namam Vishnu Padaya Krishna Pristhaya Bhutale Srimate Jayapataka Swami Nite Namine. Namam Vishnu Padaya Krishna Pristhaya Bhutale Srimate Bhakti Vedanta Swami Nite Namine. नमस्ते सरस्वती देवे गौरवाणी प्रचारिणे निर्विशेष शून्यवादी पाश्चात्य देश तारिणे जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर शिवासादि गौर भक्त वृंद हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। शौनक उवाच हत्वा स्वरिक्तस्वदा आततायिनो युधिष्ठिरो धर्मव्रतां वरिष्ठः सहानुजयः प्रत्यावरुद्ध भोजनः कथं प्रवृत्तं किम् अकारचित् ततः। Shonaka Muni asked, after killing his enemies who desired to usurp the rightful inheritance, how did the greatest of all religious men, Maharaj Yudhishthira, assisted by his brothers, rule his subjects? Surely he could not freely enjoy his kingdom with unrestricted consciousness. Uta uvacha vamsham kurora-vamsha-davagni nirhatam samrohaya vitiva yahitva bhava-bhavano harihi niveshayisva nijarajya ishvaro yudhishtiram mana babhuvaha. Sutta Goswami said, Lord Sri Krishna, the Supreme Personality of Godhead, who is the maintainer of the world, became pleased after re-establishing Maharaj Yudhishthira in his own kingdom and after restoring the Kuru dynasty, which had been exhausted by the bamboo fire of anger. So today we are starting the 10th chapter. The heading of that is the departure of Sri Krishna for Dwarka. So as we know, Shaunaka Rishi is the representative of all those sitting there. So he keeps asking questions after every narration. So now, after Bhishma Deva's narration, he is asking the question that how did Yudhishthira Maharaj rule the kingdom with the help of his brother? And he talks of some of the qualities of Yudhishthira Maharaj. And he says he is Dharma Vrata. That means he is really very, very religious. Dharma Vratam. Of those who strictly follow religious principles. That's the point. And he is Satya Varuddha Bhojanaha. That means he accepts only what is required. That's all. Restricted. His eating, sleeping, everything is so restricted that as per the principles, not over indulging in anything. Same way he is taking care of the citizens in the same way. And as Srila Prabhupada explains in the next purport, Krishna was very pleased with Yudhishthira because Yudhishthira and his brothers followed Krishna's plan. You know, Krishna has a blueprint. The whole thing was a blueprint. And everybody had to play their role. And Yudhishthira was really the best of the lot. And so were other Pandavas. Krishna was very pleased. And then little background Sutta Goswami is giving that, as these two dynasties, not dynasties the same, Kuru dynasty, the two families fought for the principle, some rights. And he terms it as a Davagni caused by two bamboos. This is how it starts, two bamboos rubbing against each other with the wind. That produces fire, and then the whole forest is on fire. So same way, the two personalities, they clashed. And because of that, the whole war took place, huge war. But of course, in a way, we say that it is small, but it was not small, it was a big deal. Because imagine if Duryodhana was carrying on as a king, there have been so many problems in the kingdom. And so, Krishna wanted to get rid of all the bad elements. Of course, in the process, so many good elements also were lost, because from Pandava's side, they were not demons. They were not demoniac kings. Even on Kaurava's side, they were not all demoniac kings. They were all siding with the demon. They are all the friends of the demon. So of course, sometimes it is said that the friends of the demon and the demon are same. So they both need to be punished. That's what Krishna says for that. So tells us something about how to deal with the situation under the guidance of Krishna. That should never be forgotten. Srila Prabhupada is saying that the Lord wants us back, all of us back from, and release us from this three miseries. Adhyatmika, Adi Bhautika, Adi Daivika. These three miseries will always be there until first time we go back. So he came himself at that time and arranged the whole thing in such a way that even after 5,000 years, we are discussing it. And it will be discussed even after hundreds of thousands of years. Such is the power of that narration. Such is the power of that thing happened, because there's so many things people learn from that. So now this chapter we are going to discuss about how after this departure of Bhishma Deva, Lord Krishna wants to go back to Dwaraka. So that's where he shifted. And he built his kingdom there. He was the king of Dwaraka. So I'd like to stop here. If there is any question, comment, thank you very much. Srila Prabhupada ki jai, Srimad Bhagavatam ki jai.